Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making Skillet Southwestern corn. Alright, I'm starting out on my skillet that I have preheated. Don't mind the noise in the background, it's just a dryer running. And I'm going to stick in about 4 tablespoons of butter. You can use a little less or even use margarine. It's just we want ours buttery. And I'm just going to melt my butter down. And I think what I'm going to do, I'm not going to use all this butter. I'm going to use about half of it. I have some potatoes over here going for some garlic butter potatoes to go with this. I'm just going to throw the rest of my butter in here. So probably about 2 tablespoons of butter will work out just fine for you. So I'm going to take the rest and just toss it right in on my potatoes there. Alright, now I have a 12 ounce bag of frozen corn. I'm going to get this in here. And I'm going to turn my heat up a little bit. And we're going to allow this corn to fry in here for a minute to thaw out and start to cook. Alright, now that my corn is sauteed just for a few minutes here, I'm going to add in about a half a teaspoon of cumin. This is what's really going to make it. Stir that in. You guys, if you haven't cooked with cumin yet, give it a try. Cumin really makes food delicious. It gives it a good earthy flavor. I'm going to add in a little bit of salt, about a half teaspoon of salt. I have 1 Roma tomato I diced up. That's going to go in. I'm going to add some lime juice. Let me cut this lime. It doesn't get any fresher than this. Alrighty, stir that all together. Hey guys, if you could smell this combination of cumin with the butter and the lime, got a jumper there, get back in there. But he doesn't want to go in, guys. There he goes. Alright, now at this point you would add in some fresh chopped cilantro, but I don't do cilantro, guys. So I'm just going to add in some dry parsley, because Holly don't do fresh parsley either, so it's going to meet us halfway in the middle. Give that a stir. This is ready to go, guys. Let's go ahead and fix up a plate and see what we got. I also went ahead and made some garlic butter potatoes to go with this, and some steak. Can't beat steak, guys. Let me try this corn. It's really good. That lime gives it a good fresh flavor. You can taste the butter coming through, the seasonings. That's really delicious, and it wasn't hard at all. Alright, there you have it. Skillet Southwestern corn. Thanks for watching, and remember, eat what you love and love what you eat.